Hello, this is Ivan from Loquiz, and today we're going to talk about the list in the creator. To do this, let's create a game that will feature a list. We have our games here. Currently it's set to show all tasks on map. I will just replace it and show in list. You can use this block to make tasks show in the list. And now we're going to add two tasks that are similar, and I will just edit one of the tasks, the different details that will change the way the task appears on the list. We have two similar tasks, two same tasks actually. And the question is, how many toes does a cat have on their back leg? The answer is 4, just for your knowledge. And on the second task, I will just edit different things that appear differently on the list. First of all, we have the intro. The intro will be the text that appears right on the list aside from the task. By default, it shows the task content, but here, let's call it. Then, we have the settings. You can change the pin icon, and I put this cat pin icon. You can change the area color. Let's put it red. And one last thing that edits the way it appears is this keep or remove task. Currently, the task is removed when answered correctly or incorrectly. Let's keep until answered correctly. And let's put the time that deactivates the task. And you will see how the task deactivates from the list. Now save, and from now we can try the game. We're on test mode, and I'm going to use my device to test the game. Let's log in on test mode. And here we are. The list looks like this. You have a clean way to show each of the tasks. And here, as you can see, the top one will show the content of the task. Just right here. And the bottom one will show the task intro. At the bottom, you can see the difference in the colors and the pins. And you can also see the number of points. If I open one, it will look like this. Okay, let's say it's 4. Right answer. And on this one, let's put an incorrect answer, 5. Wrong answer. And you can see that it has a wheel that will show how long it deactivates. Now, I'm going to show you something. We just edit the game. Show on map. I just show the task number 1 on the map. And I save. I will just open the game again, and you will notice something. You can switch from the list and the map by tapping on this button, right? And a question to you is, how do I change the word list? Maybe you have something that fits better to your game, something like inventory or quiz list. It's possible to edit this. I will show you how it's possible. To do this, you have to go to the translations, new language, give it a name, translations, and here we search for the list button show list. Let's call it quiz list, and we save. We have to include this language between apostrophe in our game. If we come back to the game, we go to the config, game, and you have the language here. You choose list game, and that's all. We save. So we just log in into our game once again, and you'll see how different it is. And now the text is different, quiz list. So it could be anything you want. It could be, let's say, pockets, inventory. So this is how the list works. And if you have any questions about the list, feel free to send me an email at ivan@loquiz.com. and have fun.